Hi guys, welcome back to my new vlog. If you are a new designer and you want to plan your own fashion show, then this video definitely worked for you. So let's get started. Guys, first you have to remember choosing a theme and establishing a budget. Pick a theme of your show at least 5 months in advance, and this will give you direction as you choose the designers and outfit. And book a venue and decide on casting ideas and theme and include the denim and so many more. And be creative and collaborate with others to choose the theme that excites you. And if you are a designer and you probably have a good idea in mind and for the theme of the show, if not, you could meet the local design students and to see that kind of outfit are available to showcase. Third point, you have to know about create a budget for your event. Do you have a fund available? Are you going to be relaying the donation and volunteers? Keep in mind and that you will need a venue, a team of people to help and plan the run of event, clothes, models and entertainment. A lot of these items might not cost you anything, but fashion show generally cost anywhere $500 to $5,000 to produce. So planning is a fundraiser to raise money for your event and appealing the large business for donation and are to way of the your budget. So you can ask designer and models to volunteers and their time to exchange for free showcasing in your event. Point 4. You have to create a budget for your event. The question is, do you have a fund available? Are you going to be relaying the donation of volunteers? Keep in mind that you will need a venue, a team of people to help plan and run the event, and cloth, model and entertainment. A lot of these items might not the cost of anything, and fashion show generally cost anywhere from $500 to $5,000 to produce. So planning fundraiser to raise money for your event and appealing the large business for donation are two ways you can pay your budget. And second, you can ask designers and models to volunteers and their time to exchange for free showcasing in your event. Whether you are planning a fashion show for a charity fundraiser and supporting designer friend, are promoting your own line of clothes, and there are a lot of steps and involved in successfully organizing a well-attended show, assembling a team and finding the venue and booking models and promoting your event are all over the integral step, and that will be help you organize a show and that will be remembering for a long time. If you want your show will be presentable, have an initial meeting with your team and delegate tasks. Getting everyone on the same page is initial to planning an event will be run smoothly. Before the meeting, think about that task you will need to delegate to the members of your team. So create an agenda for the meeting and with detail written out that everyone can reference the plan and knows that we expectation of deadline are. For example, on the agenda you could write each person name and their responsibilities. So along with the various tasks they will be need to complete. So like Mark Smith and advertising in charge of social media promotion and creating a filter of local business. For example, on the agenda you could write each person name and their responsibilities along with the various tasks and that will be need to complete. So like Mark Smith and advertising and charge of social media promotion and creating and hanging the local business. Guys, this point is very important for you because if you start your first fashion show, you have to organize these things. Ask for volunteer to help a wardrobe specialist the day of the event because fashion show are so fast paced and model and will need to help in getting and out of their various outfit. So having a team designated to help them and keep the outfit in order and will help your event and run smoothly and prevent last minute wardrobe emergencies. So choose individual who have good organizational skill, as there will be a lot of going on backstage on lot of keep and track of. Guys, if you have a plan a runway show, then you can find a venue that large enough for an audience and a runway. So local theaters, school, community centers, and that will be visible on option of fashion show. If you find a venue that does not have a traditional runway, you can always choose the exiting stage. So the venue will be the large extent and determine the time of show and how large of a crowd you can expect. So book it as early in the process as possible. So if you are organizing the fashion show as a fundraising event, and ask the venue if they are donate the space to you for free, they could offer you a discount on the booking price. So many universities and offer the auditorium space for free to students. Guys, you have to check the accommodation of the venue. Is there a backstage area where the model will be able to get changed? Is there handicapped accessibility? And what about the free parking? And have your wardrobe and specialist of the venue of you get there the opinion of the space, and rather than the making of the decision on your own. If you are booking a school or community center, there are probably rooms and that can be used of backstage space and dressing room for the model. This is the very important point, and don't forget all the points. If you are booking a school and community center, there are a probably room and that can be used of backstage space and dressing room for the model. Guys, most probably rent chairs in the venue does not have built-in sitting. If you are in a school, auditorium or a theater, chances are there in seats already there. So for a local community center, you may need to rent chair for the guests, and based on crowd and restriction, and make a reservation of the rental chair 8 weeks ahead of time. So you will need to a side of guest of walk down, room for handicap accessibility spots, and space for a runway if there is not storage already available. You can hire a team to help with hair and makeup for the event. Student from a local beauty school and may be willing to donate their time for free in exchange for the practice and photos for their portfolio. If you have 10 models and have at least 5 individuals to help with hair and makeup. If you are working with a children's fashion show, ask their parents to help out the day of the show to make sure the kids are comfortable. Find accessories like shoes, jewelry and scarves. You don't want your model running around barefoot on the runway. If the designer don't have accessory to the pair with the outfit, visit boutique, ask the model if they have a matching accessories, or visit the stores and find expensive option. If possible, then people will letting the borrow personal clothing and keep a detail and list who gave what, so you can return item after the show. You have to remember design the runway area also. When you book the venue, so decide how you will be either use the exiting stage or make a plan to craft a runway yourself. This will help you plan the timing of the show. So most runway are 100 feet and showcase the model walking to an point and back. If you are constructed your own runway, buy the rent are several wooden and carpeted stage and platform and line them in the center of the room in the day of event, and make sure they are pushed together tightly. So you don't want any gap. So hang the black curtain and where the runway starts so model can come out from the behind it. If you like this information, then like, subscribe my channel, then you can check it out my new vlog and entertaining videos. Thanks, bye bye.